गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। कैसे हैं सभी? On today we discuss about the rate of reaction. In previous video we already discussed about the introductory part of the chemical kinetics, type of reaction and little bit of the rate of reaction. On today we discuss about the rate of reaction by the more examples, rate of disappearance and rate of appearance. तो लेट्स सी, स्टार्ट करते हैं इसका टॉपिक, द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन बाय मोर एग्जांपल्स। एग्जांपल नंबर 1, suppose we have 2A as a reacting species to form 3B as a product. This one is the reactant and this one is the product. यहाँ हमने एग्जांपल लिया है जहां दोनों का कोफिशिएंट अलग अलग है, रिएक्टेंट कोफिशिएंट अलग, प्रोडक्ट का कोफिशिएंट अलग है। तो हाउ टू वी कैलकुलेट द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन बाय द डिफरेंट कोफिशिएंट? नाउ बाय द इक्विलिब्रियम at initially at time t is equal to 0, maybe this one is the concentration initially, that is the C naught, initial concentration of the reactant, product 0, at final, and we can say the equilibrium time is equal to t. It can form the 2 से 3 बनता है, तो this one is suppose that 3 alpha. Alpha is the degree of dissociation from the 2. That means final concentration of the reactant species, that is the Ct, and Ct is equal to C naught minus 2 alpha. We focus that one. 2 से 3 बनता है, 3 alpha is formed from the 2 alpha. Now first one, ROD, rate of disappearance for the reacting species, and that is R is equal to change in concentration, change in concentration with respect to time taken, and that is final minus initial, final minus initial upon time taken, final concentration Ct, initial concentration C naught upon and final time t, initial time 0. Now Ct, C naught minus 2 alpha minus C naught upon t, C naught से C naught कैंसिल हो गया, is equal to minus 2 alpha over t. Okay, we already discussed rate and speed never be negative. So now minus sign to be applied for the rate of disappearance at here, minus R, we can say the ROD, rate of disappearance, minus 2 alpha over t, and that is 2 alpha over t. This is the rate of disappearance. क्लियर है? नोट करें, इसी एग्जांपल के लिए निकालते हैं रेट ऑफ अपीयरेंस। रेट ऑफ अपीयरेंस, दैट मींस फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट। तो क्या हो जाएगा वो? रेट ऑफ अपीयरेंस, that is change in concentration with respect to time t, that's called the rate of reaction as well as the rate of appearance for the product. Final concentration of the product 3 alpha, initial concentration of product 0, time at the t 0, that R So A is equal to 3 alpha over T. Rate of appearance 3 alpha over T. Rate of disappearance already calculated. Rate of disappearance 2 alpha over T. This one calculated. Both are different. We already discussed in first slide the rate of reaction, rate of disappearance, rate of appearance almost equal to each other. दोनों का रेट बराबर होता है. जिस रेट से रिएक्टेंट कम हो रहा होगा उसी रेट से प्रोडक्ट बढ़ रहा होगा. Now, how to resolve out the problem? Rate of reaction is equal to the rate of disappearance, that is 2 alpha over T, is equal to rate of appearance 3 alpha over T. Rate of reaction is equal to rate of disappearance, this one, rate of appearance, this one, divided by its sociometry coefficient 2 and 3. Then rate of appearance and rate of disappearance almost equal to each other. 2 alpha divided by 2 of this coefficient is equal to 3 alpha divided by 3 and its time cancel. Now ROR is equal to alpha by T is equal to alpha by T. This one is ROR is equal to rate of disappearance is equal to rate of appearance. I hope so. Topic clear हो गया होगा. We have to take the different coefficient on reactant species and the product species. Clear? One more example discuss करते हैं. Example number second, nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas to form ammonia. एक बात याद रखिए कि रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, रेट ऑफ डिसअपीयरेंस, रेट ऑफ अपीयरेंस निकालने के लिए केमिकल इक्वेशन बैलेंस होना चाहिए. बैलेंस इक्वेशन के लिए हम ये निकाल सकते हैं. नाम nitrogen hydrogen reacting species, ammonia is a product. Now rate indicated by the small r, rate of disappearance for N2 is equal to minus change in concentration, that means concentration of ammonia, nitrogen with respect to time t. Rate of disappearance for hydrogen is equal to minus change in concentration of hydrogen with respect to time t. Minus sign indicates that nitrogen and hydrogen both are the reacting species and these are gradually decreased in a chemical reaction as product is formed. Now rate of ammonia plus product is formed, change in concentration of ammonia with respect to time t. Now rate of reaction is equal to the rate of disappearance is equal to the rate of appearance, and that is minus change in concentration of nitrogen is equal to the hydrogen, and that is equal to change in concentration of ammonia, change in time. Coefficient 1, coefficient 3, coefficient 2. It means बराबर नहीं होगा, तो how to be do this one? Rate of reaction reactant species और product का बराबर हो जाए. Divide by its coefficient, divide by 1 divide by 3 and divide by 2. Now the rate of reaction are same for all the species. Yeah. यूनिट ऑफ रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन बात कर लेते हैं साथ में. रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन का यूनिट क्या होगा? यूनिट ऑफ ROR, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. Rate of reaction, that means rate is equal to change in concentration with respect to time, change in time. concentration का यूनिट होता है मोल पर लीटर, टाइम का यूनिट सेकंड एंड मिनट. We can say that mole liter inverse second inverse. This is the unit of rate of reaction. नोट करें. आई होप क्लियर हो गया होगा. तो नेक्स्ट हम समझेंगे कि जैसे जैसे रेट, रिएक्टेंट का रेट बढ़ता जाता है, प्रोडक्ट का रेट बढ़ता जाता है, केमिकल रिएक्शन प्रोसीड होती रहती है, तो कुछ दिक्कतें आती हैं. प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट किया, the average rate of reaction and the instantaneous rate of reaction. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू.